300. Wow, I feel like Virendra Sehwag. He's the guy when you talk 300, I think that's the first name which comes to your mind. But to me, I think that date, 24th November 2019, that was the day when we did our demo meeting in Akshay Nagar. And since then, it's been 343 weeks and we are celebrating our 300 meeting. So even before we got chartered, we started meeting because that was a commitment we all took that no matter what happens, we will start meeting from today. And of course, it took us almost 2 months to charter the club. Before I dwell deeper into that story, let me acknowledge the presence of certain dignitaries who've been supportive of this club right from the day one. We have the current officers from the top 8, Distinguished Toastmaster Prashant TK, the current PRM for district. Thank you. We have with us DTM Balram Sahu, the current District Administration Manager. We also have our very own Toastmaster Mohit Kalra, current E2 Area Director. And from the past leadership, we also have Distinguished Toastmaster Nitasha Kumar, the past Club Floor Director. And of course, we are so blessed that this is the trio for the forthcoming tenure. So definitely we would need your blessings and guidance all this while. And our members of Toastmasters Club Wordsworth and distinguished guests. It has been such a pleasure to be managing this club from that day, like I said, 343 weeks. And every year we have around 5 to 6 weeks where we have the area meet, the division meet, the judges training, the COTPs where of course invariably those meetings do not happen. So if you put those 36 days away, so literally we've missed one meeting per year. So wow. that is I would say is the first lifeline of this club, the consistency. So no matter what, we started in 2019 and within 3 to 4 months we had COVID. We were the first clubs who went online. The moment there was some hope, we were the first club which went hybrid. And we were the first club which immediately came back to in-person meetings because, like I always say, you can never email a handshake or a hug. When you meet in person is when you really get most of Toastmasters. Of course, COVID gave us Mohit Kalra kind of Toastmasters because we've seen his journey start. I think for the first 1 year, we only saw him inside that box. Right?
I saw each one of you in the box as well.
And that was the journey, right? And the best thing has been the consistency, as I said. The faces kept changing, the members kept changing, the leaders kept changing. I was just that person who sowed the seeds, but there were so many mothers and fathers who actually made this seed grow into a big tree. I would quickly want to remind all the presidents of Wordsworth Toastmasters, few of course you are here, so I would request you to stand when I take your name. So post me, it was Toastmaster Abhijit who took the baton and of course took the club to the next level. He has moved on to a different district now. Post that we had Toastmaster Mohana, who then we had Toastmaster Disha, who became the president and grew so much that she flew out of the country. Then we had Toastmaster Sudhindra. Before that we had Toastmaster Mohit actually, before Sudhindra. So Toastmaster Mohit. I think he's way too tolerant standing right in front of us. So post Mohit we had Sudhindra. Post Sudhindra we had Toastmaster Padmaja. After Padmaja we had Toastmaster Mohana, not Mohana again. We had Nikhil, not you. So that is a trivia. We've had 2 Nikhils as our presidents. Okay, we have the list here.
I think that's better.
Yeah. So Nikhil Rajesh, he was our youngest president at 18 years. He became, or 18 and a half, he became the president of this club. And I think one of those stories who we really take pride in. When he came, he used to struggle. Within 1 year, he progressed so much. Of course, all thanks and dedication to his commitment. He was able to get a seat in IIM. Right? So he's currently doing his MBA from IIM Shillong. right? So that's one of the stories we are really proud of. Whenever he is here, of course, we love to catch up with him. Then we had one more young leader in Toastmasters, Sean DeCosta, right? He again came in as a very fresh student and got placed in one of the best placements from Christ University that year he got. So again, one of those champions we take pride in. And then we had Toastmaster Bala Murli, started his journey. So some become IIT and IIM post Toastmasters. There are some IITians who come into Toastmasters. Toastmaster Bala is one such leader. Started his journey as an SAA. Again, I think one fabulous transformation I've seen him from SA to a president role. Post that we had Toastmaster Soumya. One of the flag bearers of Wordsworth today. First time participation and going to the district finals. How often does that happen? And last but definitely not the least, but number 13, he doesn't like it. Toastmaster Nikhil. I think that, thank you Nikhil. So as you can see, the club has really grown. At least the average height of a president has grown at least 7 inches. Thanks to Nikhil. So that, I think, consistency is what makes who we are today. And the second C, what I would talk about Wordsworth is the care. I think right from day one when we got chartered, it was not just one person who could start a club, right? It was DTM Subramaniam who actually sowed the seeds. He's been trying to charter a club in Begur way before even I moved here. So it was his vision from BTM Toastmasters. He brought in so many Toastmasters even for the demo meeting. So it was BTM Toastmasters, it was Dhwani Toastmasters, it was Leaders Speak who actually came together and we could maybe grow, because it needs a village to raise a child. And trust me, when you're talking about a community club, it is not easy. It's as tough as raising a baby. So you can never do it alone. You needed people who could become a father one day, who could become a mother one day, who could become that farmer, so that this sapling could actually become a tree. We could become from an idea to a community. I think that's the beauty of Toastmasters. The faces keep changing, the leaders keep changing, but the process is always on. Today we have the newest of our Toastmasters, Toastmaster Praveen. I don't know if he's here. We have Toastmaster Saurav, right? He's yes, Saurav. Saurav is here. Wonderful. Thank you. So the journey will keep moving. The battle will keep changing hands. But the best thing is, you will see newest of the leaders. You will see that learning happens across. And I am so proud that I was part of this from day one. And I'm sure, looking forward to the next 300 meetings, and we would keep growing in the same consistent way, in the same caring way, so that we can all come together and help each other. With that, back to you. Cease.